So let's look at some questions now. We have some cubes here. Now when we look at those, we need to think about how are they grouped. So how many groups of them are there? So I would say there's 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 equal groups and there are 4 in each group. Now another way we can say it, there are 3 lots of 4. When we look at this, we need to think, right, there are 3 groups. So rather than when we say equal groups of is the same as the word multiply. Okay, so instead of saying there are 3 lots of 4 or 3 groups of 4, we would say 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, let's have a look at this now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, 6 equal groups, and there are 2 in each group. So again, another way of saying this would be there are 6 lots of 2. Instead of saying groups or lots of, we can say multiply, because when we hear the word multiply, we are going to be looking at that multiplication sign. So 6 multiplied by 2. And if we did 6 multiplied by 2, or 6 times 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here we have 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 groups, and in each group there are 5. So there are 4 equal groups of 5. The way we can say this, there are 4 lots of 5. We can swap the lots of and equal groups of by the word multiply. So it will be 4 multiplied by 5. And then we simply swap that multiplied by for the times sign here. So it's like a cross. So 4 times 5. So equal groups, lots of, multiplied are they all mean the same thing. They all mean this times sign here. If we looked at, let's have a look at the questions now. Have a go at question 1 on the worksheet.